Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel once again, and today I'm going to be talking about the title called scale. Now, what is a scale? A scale is a set of notes arranged in a particular pitch or arranged in a particular order or in a definite order. And now basically let me explain what that is all about. Now, in music there are several types of scale. For example, we have the major scale, the minor scale, the jazz scale, the blues scale, the pentatonic scale, and so many other scales. But today I'm going to narrow on the major scale. I'm going to use the major scale as an example. For example, let's take the key of C. Now, there are a lot of keys in music. Now, every key has its own scale. Now, every key in a major scale or every major keys have its own scale. So we are going to look at the scale of C major for an example. Now, when we are talking about the scale of C major, now this is the scale of C major written up here. Now, for you to write a scale or a major scale, now every scale always starts with the letter of the key. Since we are talking about C major, that means our scale is going to start with letter C. So our note is going to start with C, and that's why we are starting with C here. Now after C, you move to D, from D to E to F, G, A, B, C. Now these are the notes or the letters that forms the scale of C major. Let's count the letters or the notes that is in C major or that is in a major scale. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you'll find out that we have 7 authentic notes, 7 major notes, while the C, which is the 8th note, is always the repetition or the repeated version of the first note. So majorly, when you're talking about the major scale has 7 notes with the last note repeated as the 8th note. So altogether, you can say a major scale has 8 notes if you want to say. Now, if you want to look at another key in a major scale, for example, let's talk about another key with your G major. So if you are talking about G major, that means the key of that scale is key G major. Now, if you are talking about key G major, remember I said the letter of the key determines the beginning or determines what you begin the scale with. So if we are talking about key G major, that means our scale is going to start with what? G. And then from G it will move to A. From A it will move to what? B. And so on till you get to the last letter, which is the 7th letter or the 8th letter rather. So thank you very much for watching my video on scale. If you have any comments, please don't hesitate or forget to drop it. Ask your questions, I'll be glad to answer them. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. I want to say thank you for watching my YouTube channel.